All right, welcome to Kingdom Technology Tutorial. This time around, we'll be going on a mission of taking a tutorial on how to use Blogger to create your own personalized blog. For some of you, before I just go into the tutorial, I quickly want to talk about few things. So for some of you, you have a passion for getting your content online, and you are not enabled with you are not having fund to finance it. Thank God for Google that is giving us this grace. So without having totally free, you can start your own blogging career in just a few steps, which I will be showing here for absolute beginner. You don't need to know anything about Blogger before. I'm going to show you everything right from start. So you can see this my Blogger. Well, this is a Blogger welcome page. So for you can see this place, just type blogger.com to your URL, and it will take you to this welcome page. So in a few steps, I will be showing you what we'll be creating during this tutorial. We'll be creating a very nice blog. So let's see what we'll be creating. We'll be creating a blog that looks like this. Can you see? Very nice blog. This is your welcome page. So I'm having a little delay with my network. It's going to load. Just wait. So you are going to have a blog like this. I created this with a Blogger. In fact, I'm not having a customized domain for it. I'm still going to, okay, this is my welcome page. You can see a very nice one. Can you see? Very nice blog. So these are my categories, my feature posts, my popular posts. You can have something nice than this. So I'm using a free theme for this. This my categories. You can have a categories, this news category, Bible study, music category. You can see everything so cool and nice. So let's go as we create our blog. So after this tutorial, I'm very sure that you can handle anything for beginners using Blogger platform to create your blog. So join me as we go. Welcome.